Hi and happy Independence Day, Nigeria. My name is Ejirole Mojibola and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I need you to know that today we're going to be looking at a beautiful Pintuck design. I just want to show you how this particular design is being achieved. Now, before we go into that, I need to remind you that our children's footwear mastery class is going to be starting October 15. If you haven't registered, please go and register. And if you're not following me on Facebook and on Instagram, please go right now and go and follow and follow and follow. Because I'm going to be unveiling the designs that we are going to be learning. One of them is what we have already on the screen. What we do here is make shoemaking easy. Let's go right into it. So when we are through with this is what it's actually going to finally look like. Now, the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what width do I need? So your width, of course, will determine how you want to go about all of this. Now, I'm going to be using about 2 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter width, and I can decide to also use like 3 centimeter. Like I said, it depends on the size you are working with. This is actually a children heel that we are trying to create, but this design is actually called a Pintuck design. That's what it is called. So I am going to be using this particular strap of leather to tuck it in. Now you can see the way I position it. I'm going to position it like that and go ahead and stitch it. Of course, after stitching it, this is what it's going to look like, because I actually face the wrong side with the right side of the main upper. Now I use a 0.5 inch of the strap that I use. The black strap is about 0.5, which is about 1.25. So I first of all try to flatten it this way, and I will now go ahead and begin to fold. I need you to know that on this channel, all we do is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. I know I have not been able to post for a while now. This is just because of the preparation of the mastery class. And of course, I will try as much as possible to resume this week. So all you need to do is to take your time to fold it all over it this way, gently. Please, I'm going to encourage you to do it gently so that it can look so beautiful. The next thing I'm going to be, you can see that the tuck is showing outside. You can actually use this on male footwear, on female footwear, on adult footwear, and as well as on children footwear. This is actually for a child's heel. So after I have done this, I'm going to now go ahead and line it. Now, I need you to know that for you to be able to stitch it, it's better for you to make sure you apply your contact cement adhesive on the leather you are using as lining before you go ahead and stitch. Actually, I don't know how I forgot to actually apply adhesive on the surface of the lining and the leather. I don't know how I forgot. It was when I was through I find out that I didn't apply contact cement adhesive, which is popularly called a Vol stick in Nigeria. So I'm going to oil my leather. That is the only way my needle and my feet, let me say my feet, can easily stitch the leather, because the feet of this sewing machine is meant for fabric and not leather. So if you need a feet for sewing your leather, the most appropriate feet is Teflon feet. It's called Teflon. So you can try to check online, and you can also try to ask around. That actually will stitch without any form of oil. Yes, you don't have to oil the machine for it to work. I mean, when you want to stitch leather. Now, I need you to know that the children mastery class is going to be 3 weeks. If you have not made footwear before, you can join. If you want to actually understand how to create children footwear, you can also join. This is just to reduce family expenses on footwear. I want to be able to help us to create new stream of income, either through the product or by selling the knowledge you acquire. Yes, you don't have to be a professional to actually sell the knowledge you acquire. All you need to do is to continue improving yourself daily, and each time you improve yourself, you will also be adding to other people around you. So I have succeeded in stitching it. I'm just trying to trim it. When you are trimming, make sure that your scissors is slant so that they don't have to see your lining on that. The class is actually 10,000 naira. Like I said, it's going to last for good 3 weeks, and we are going to be starting every design from scratch to the end. That is what we are going to be doing. If you're not in Nigeria and you want to also participate, it's $10. You can just comment link for payments in the comment section, and I will share the link with you. If you would love to have the WhatsApp link, in case I do not remember to put it in the comment section, ensure you also comment link to WhatsApp, because I've had a lot of people say, oh, they are not seeing my number on WhatsApp. The number is on WhatsApp. I don't really know what is happening. So this is what we have anytime we create a Pintuck. I'm still your shoemaking med, is it tutor Ojurole Mojibola. Bye.